Hi, welcome to RevereElectric.com. Are you interested in creating an eStore account? If so, it's simple. In the header, click on Sign In and Register. Then, click the blue Sign Up button. You will be sent to the registration form. To fill out the form, you must have an account number with Revere. If you do not have an account number, you can scroll to the footer and click Credit Application. Once you fill out the credit application and get an account number, fill out the entire form and then accept the terms and conditions. Once accepted, Revere will be notified. We will set up your account and send you a confirmation email. That's it. You're all ready to shop. If you have any questions, please contact us at eStore@RevereElectric.com. Check out the next video to learn how to get logged in and place an order. Have a great day.